Hey everybody, in this video we're going to show you how to make email forwarding. So basically inside the website right now we need to make sure that the email or the current email is working correctly. So in order to do that I'm going to add a new plugin here called SMTP email. Just search for this plugin, SMTP email. There's a lot of plugin here. We have this one, WP Mail SMTP. So I'm gonna install this one, and after I just create it, I'm just gonna activate it. Here you'll be asked to get started. I choose other SMTP and click on continue. You need to type the host. So right now, if you're a green banking customer, you will have this hosting control panel. So you need to go to email accounts. Inside the email account, you can create a new email. So for example, right now I have this email. I can add it to the settings. Once I send an email, I'm gonna use this sender. So the SMTP host, you can get it from the options here, webmail, account setup. You can see we're using this SMTP in order to send emails. So we're gonna use this value. So here you just type the SMTP, you choose SSL, you choose the SMTP port, and you type the username. So the username that we're gonna use is this one, and here you're just gonna type the password for this SMTP. So I'm gonna pick a password, and here from name, I'm just gonna customize it and click on save and continue. Notice for the password you should get it from email account, so it's the same as the one you put it here. Alright, we just click on continue. Now we're gonna click save and continue. And this is the email address, so we're gonna save and continue, and we'll click skip this step. Checking mail configuration, we're gonna finish the setup, and here I'm gonna go to tools, email test, and try to send the test to this email. So let me send a test. So you can see domain has been sent to this email, but there's a DMARC record not added, so I need to add this record, the DKIM and the DMARC. So I go to the DKIM record because I don't want an email to be in the spam directory, so I add S1. I type S1 in the first field, add signature. I go to the DMARC wizard and select none for this domain and add the DMARC record. That's it. Now I go back to the tool, send another test email, try to send to the same email, click send. Wait, success. Now we don't have any issue with the email. So I can double check the email has been received. I go to email accounts, and from here I go to the webmail. And you can see here, webmail, we received that email correctly. So you click here, you can see the email has been activated. All right, that's really good. Now, some clients prefer to use, like, connect to the stack mail. So we're using something called webmail, and with webmail you can basically log into stackmail.com in order to see your email in a web browser. You can also connect your Outlook or any other provider, like Android, iPhone. You can just basically connect to these settings. You go accounts at the email, and then you just use these SMTP port. For incoming server, you just use IMAP with 993, and SMTP for 465 for the outgoing server. You just use this value in order to connect to your mobile email client or Outlook. Or you can use basically directly the web. Some clients require to make email forwarders. So email forwarders, you can forward any email that go to info, for example. You can forward this email to your Gmail, for example. So I'm gonna make a forwarder from info to this email address. So all what you have to do is just make a forwarder. So anyone will, contact you for you from your website the email will be redirected to this Gmail account. And that's really cool. You can use it and set up it for your clients. Of course, you can create additional emails inside your panel. So for example, I can make an email like cs@adulttowing.com and just create that email and make a password for it. And that's really cool. The email is huge. We give you like 10 gig of space, and that's really a good amount of space. So that's pretty much for the email forwarding and how you can connect your email and make sure your email is connected inside your website. You can, based on this logic, you can add another page. Like we could have a contact us page, and we could add it as well inside the website. And we're gonna work on this in the future. Thank you guys for watching.